Hi, my name is Toluse Francis and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell below so you get notified when new videos are up. Thank you. Question: what would you do if you were to be in his shoes? In 2014, builder Vince from Essex, UK was asked to quote on building an accessible bathroom for 12-year-old Katie Anderson, who was born with neurofibromatosis, a disease that causes tumors to grow along her nerves. Instead of charging the usual fees for his work, Vince responded with a simple and practical act of kindness. He built a £6,000 bathroom for free, persuaded local suppliers to donate materials, and completed the project within a week. Kindness has the potential to give the joy and satisfaction of benefiting others, whether near or far, nourish and deepen the relationships we all depend on for our health and happiness, promote harmony and goodwill at every level of society. Kindness says, I want you to be happy. To be kind means to be friendly, caring, generous, benevolent, considerate, respectful, fair, and affectionate. We all know in our hearts that when we have received or offered kindness because of the warm feeling it brings, is there anyone who does not want to experience kindness from another person? I doubt not. Kindness knows with exquisite wisdom when it is appropriate to say or do something. It is found in the small details, a gentle touch on the cheek, or a soft support of the elbow guiding someone across the road, sustaining eye contact for just that moment longer, making a telephone call, remembering the little things that please someone. If we act in a kind way, it may seem that we are putting someone else's happiness ahead of ours, but in practice it doesn't work that way. Being kind invariably feels good, lifts our own spirit, and nourishes us in ways that we don't always acknowledge. Everyone benefits. Is it possible to imagine a world in which everyone shows kindness to each other? Is kindness something we can learn? What can we do to become more kind? Research suggests acts of kindness can conceivably boost happiness in a variety of ways. For example, a heightened sense of interdependence and cooperation, more confidence, efficiency, and optimism. Furthermore, acts of kindness can inspire greater liking by others, as well as appreciation, gratitude, and prosocial reciprocity, all of which are valuable in times of stress and need. A single act of kindness can influence dozens more. Generosity really is contagious. Be kind today. Be kind to someone. Show someone an act of kindness.